Just so you know, this is why I'm replacing mine, because this here broke on the inside. So as you can see, that's why we have to replace this control cable. I have two of these TB110 mowers, but they are different from each other. This one here has what I call the sloped flywheel cup. The other flywheel cup is different. But this control cable, or flywheel brake cable, whatever you want to call it, works on both models. I got this at Amazon, and I'll be leaving an Amazon affiliate link below this video. I wanted to show you a working version first before we fix my other mower, so you'll understand how it works. Watch this right here. When I pull on this cable, you're going to see this open up. See how that pulls away? So now the flywheel isn't stopped. When it goes back down, it actually presses against it and stops the flywheel. But it also does something else. It makes this what's called a dead man switch right here. That's what kills the spark. So the spark is killed at the same time that this here flywheel is stopped. So if you notice, this right here is going to slide up under there, and that's what's stopping the spark. See how when I let it down, how it slides under here? That's what's stopping the spark. And I do suggest you clean this up if yours is giving any kind of problems at all. So now let's go fix my other mower. The first thing we have to do is take these 3 bolts out, but don't lose them because they're proprietary to this mower itself. Once you get them off, all you have to do is lift this up and let it slide up to the rope guard that's up above. So you don't have to take the rope guard off. Take this little eye bolt, whatever you want to call it, out. Originally, I thought we were going to have to take this bolt out that's painted red and this one here that has the yellow on it. So I kind of paint things a lot of times instead of take pictures to know how things went back together. To get this cable off, if you look here, there's 2 of these little tabs. I don't know exactly what you want to call them, but you push that in to get it off. But I found that doesn't work on this one. And remember, this is an old cable, so we don't have to protect it at all. I've already broken off the back side of this tab, but this front one is really hard to get off in comparison. I took it and wiggled it back and forth like this a bunch of times, and it still hasn't come out. So I finally just said, you know what, I'm just going to take a pair of wire cutters and grab it and cut it, do whatever it takes to get that off. So I'm just taking this, going to grab him, cut him off. Will that now allow it to come out? Yes, so now it comes out. We're going to take this right here, pull him down like this. So that allows that to come off. But remember, we have this eye hook right here. So we have to put that on the new one. So I've already bent them so that this will come out. In other words, I took a screwdriver and bent him outwards. So the new one, we have to put him in that eye hook first. So he's got to go in here like this. Then we've got to put that right back in that hole just like it was. So it's got to go up. Man, did they make it the wrong size? Even though the listing for this cable said fits the TB110, it won't. It will not make that turn. I tried it both on this mower and my other mower, and it will not make that turn on either one. So we're actually now 2 days later, and I did order a different listing, and this one fits perfectly on both this mower and the other mower. Of course, this is the one I'll be leaving the Amazon affiliate link to. So now all we have to do is take this, put him right there. There basically is no adjustment. As soon as we clip this in, that's all there is. So you don't have to adjust anything. Now I take this eye hook and I slip him on here, and I'm going to connect him up on the handle. But before I do that, I want to show you something. Don't make the mistake and go down to a store and buy quarter 28, but you want quarter 20 coarse. The reason I'm mentioning this is, yes, I was able to bend that out, and I actually looked close and I said, I did it with a torch, and most homeowners won't have that ability. So I was suggesting you go down and buy a different one and bring your cable so you can check it and make sure that your cable will fit through it, because when this is closed all the way, you can't get this through. Now we have to put this loop through the new cord. Just a reminder, this is a quarter 20 coarse threading. Now we got to go up here and pull off the old cord where it's connected in. Talking about right in. It's a little confusing because we have two black cords. This is the brand new one. And to get the old one out, all you do is twist this 90 degrees this way, like this, and then it'll come right out like that right there. So that gets that out there, and then we take this one and we do just the reverse, which is we twist it 90 degrees, put him in, and put him in like that, and that's the new one. Now we're going to go up and zoom in to where the handle is. So now to get the old one out, we just twist him out like that, and to put the new one in, and put him in like that, and now everything works. But there's still one more thing we got to deal with, and that is this rope guide right here. Now we pull this forward, put him on right there. Remember, we got these 3 bolts. They take a 5/16 inch wrench to put them in. And now you're completely done when you get those tightened down. I did change this eye hook to where it went down below. Otherwise, this cord would rub on this tire. I've left an Amazon affiliate link to a new control cable for this mower. You now have 20 seconds to click on the card that just appeared to go to a playlist of all the videos I did on this mower. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.